What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I want to do a couple special, and it will start from today all the way up until Valentine's Day, which is February 14th. So normal pricing for two people to sign up is $400 to start, and then $300 a month. That's for the basic credit repair package. So that price will be $300 to start, and then $250 a month, and that covers a couple. So for the 90-day guarantee for couples, it is normally $600 to start, and then $550 a month. So for the special on this one, it'll be $450 to start, and then $450 a month. So if anybody's interested in signing up as a couple, call, text, or email me. We'll set up a consultation if you like. I'll try to do my 10-minute live here shortly. Hope y'all have a great weekend.